Meaning of echinacea.
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 Echinacea. Echinacea is a genus of herbaceous flowering plants in the daisy family, commonly known as coneflowers. These plants are native to North America and have been traditionally used for their medicinal properties, particularly in boosting the immune system to fight off infections such as the common cold. Research has shown mixed results on the effectiveness of echinacea as a treatment for various conditions, but it is generally considered safe for short-term use. Echinacea is also a popular ornamental plant in gardens due to its colorful blooms and hardy nature.